I found a great little website called tomchalky.com, and I wanted to share some freebies that I found with you and show you exactly how you can access them. Tom Chalky is a digital resources site where you can purchase things like handwritten fonts, vintage bundles, illustrations, and more. Now they do have an all access pass. It's $99 a year. I want to point out this is not an affiliate link. I am going to put a link to this site in the video description below. I just want to point out it's not an affiliate link. I get nothing from this. I'm just sharing this from a fellow print on demand side hustle person. So I've used Tom Chalky here in the past. I've got the free downloads, and I've also purchased a pack of illustrations, and I wanted to share those with you in this video and show you the quality of them. Okay, so let's get right to it. How do you get the free downloads off of the Tom Chalky website? Well, they have an all access pass, a shop, and then right in the middle of the banner at the top, it says free downloads. So I'm going to click that button, free downloads. And then from here, you just sign up for like a newsletter, punch in your name and your email address, you hit the access my free design resources. And then what you wind up getting is a confirmation email. And when you confirm that, sends you to this page here, which is welcome aboard, and this is for subscribers. And then as I scroll on down, I'll see that I've got things like this grit and grunge pack, and this is 7 easy to blend presets. Bouncy Castle font, totally free. Lance, Sans, and Serif font. I love handwritten fonts. They look a million times better than the artificial ones. Casual line script font, 26 vintage handwriting brushes, a gram hand font, 29 postage Photoshop brushes, 48 handcrafted vector ribbons, 10 gritty tea granule brushes, Bobby Jones soft and outline, there's a Navera font, buckwheat font, 25 color watercolor brushes for Photoshop. This goes on and on and on. We've got more stuff. It just keeps going. So I do want to point out that this is all free, but you do need to sign up for the newsletter, but you can always unsubscribe afterwards if you don't want to. I thought that's what I was going to do. I was like, oh, okay, I'll download all the free stuff. Well, then the newsletters were actually so good that I wound up purchasing something. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if you did want to purchase something, just here at the top, there's a shop button, and then I'm just going to go to all products. I wound up getting a newsletter or a promo email from Tom Chalky, and it was for this vintage maps of the world. Now here it's 117 high resolution vintage maps for $18. They're really high resolution. I'm going to show you in a minute. I actually had this on sale in my email. It was $9. So that's pretty cool. This was a 2 gigabyte download, and I want to show you exactly what this looked like. It was very cool. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at in Windows Explorer. So I'm just going to hover over one of these maps, and you can see the size of it in pixels is 7137 by 5114. I'll just hover over this other one, 7248 by 5171. So they're big size. And when I pop open one here, for example, I'll just do the one of Kentucky, and we can see here, this is a pretty high resolution map, a vintage map. And now you can see there is a vertical line along the middle because it's a double page scan from an actual atlas. As I scroll in, we'll see just how high resolution this thing is. So if you were making a high resolution print, this is pretty good resolution. 300 dpi means that for every inch you have 300 dots inside that inch, and that's the resolution of the image. So this map of Kentucky, for example, would be amazing as a high-end art print. You could always clean up the little scan here in the middle as well if you wanted, if you knew how to use Photoshop or Affinity Photo, or you can just use this as is. And there's 117 of these that I got in this package. Again, I paid $9. It's currently on for $18. But you can see here exactly how high resolution scans this is. Okay, so I hope you found that video helpful. Again, the website is tomchalky.com. There's a free downloads banner right at the top. You simply click on that, punch in an email address, and you can be off to the races with lots of free, super high quality graphics from this neat little gem from the internet. And here's another video on how you can supercharge your print on demand journey.